So before we get into the makeup, obviously I need to do an unboxing of the makeup. That's what it looks like. I think it's cute that like, you give it your delivery note's got your name on it. And it's all wrapped up in this cocoon. I didn't want to get everything, but I got enough of the stuff to get like a good idea of it, I think. So I got a lip gloss, a lip liner, a felt tip eyeliner, 4 kohl eyeliners, and an eyeshadow palette. I picked one of the eyeshadow palettes that is like the BRATZ style, but you could get a big eyeshadow palette that was kind of just like all of them, I think, but I picked my favourite one. And my favourite one was the Jade one. How cute is this packaging? The fact that it's like you know how doll boxes would always have like a bit sticking out with the, and then you'd see the doll inside, like it kind of looks like a doll box. And then obviously there's Jade, who has always had green eyes. I've always had brown eyes. Anyways, but the cats on the front cover are really cute as well. They're just like the colours the most out of all of the different brands. Ooh, oh, it's got a mirror in it. Let's not show my awful setup. Mirror, that's always good, and it's a good mirror as well, because sometimes mirrors in packaging can be like, they make you look a bit strange. Like the P. Louise palettes mirrors are kind of like, they look a little bit like joke mirror. I know that's really bad to say, but like they're weird, they distort your face slightly. These are the colours. How cute. I really enjoying that one, and the pink next to it, and that pink and that blue, and the white shimmer, just all of it. The fact that this peony thing's got the cats on it, because obviously Jade's cool cat, bless. Right, let's talk about the names, because if the names are shit, it's not fun, is it? So we've got platforms. Obviously Bratz wear platform boots, don't they? They've got massive feet, which makes me feel better about my massive feet. Trendsetter, fashion sense, get noticed, like my outfit, cool cat, obviously. Do we agree that that's a good colour for cool cat? Maybe. Self-expression, pouty, runway walk, my cat Mika. So that's obviously the cat that's all over the cover. Looking good, mini skirt, mannequin, Carnaby Street. I don't know what Carnaby Street has to do with it, but safety pin, stop and stare, prom queen coolness. They're cute. Show you a little swatch. They're nice. That shimmer's nice. It's very smooth. It's actually way more shimmery than I thought it would be. Oh no, it's not really. That's nice, that. Reflective. Oh, now we've got some shimmers. Let's see how they are gonna do. Ooh, like my outfit's very creamy because I've already kind of ruined it. Look at that. That's lush, that. Look at that. They're not as pigmented. That one's very... I've kind of ruined it a little bit. Oops. Right, so self-expression, pouty, runway walk, which is like a mustard. My cat Mika is a light grey. Self-expression isn't as pigmented, but it looks nicer on camera. It's very pretty still. This one is not as dark as I thought it would come out, but maybe that's just my swatch. That's very pigmented and lighter than it looks. Right, looking good. Mini skirt, mannequin, and Carnaby Street. So these two are shimmers as well. They're really nice. That's just a darker version of my cat Mika, I feel like. So obviously you can make it look with that. And then that one's also just a nice smooth. So that one's the most thick and kind of like chalkier glitter. And you could also use these three as highlighters. That one's probably a bit too cool because it's silver basically. They're really nice. Well, I think they look really good as swatches, but obviously we've got to see what they look like on the eye. I think I've just made the lighting way nicer. Then I got the eyeliner set that's got like an eyeliner for each of them. It's just a pencil liner. So it's, yeah, one for each brat. You got a pink, which is for... The pink's for Jade, the blue's for Chloe, the orange is Sasha, and the purple is Yasmin. Let's have a look at these, see if these are good. Also, the good thing about Revolution is it's a cruelty-free vegan brand, which is obviously amazing. So obviously we're going to see how pigmented these are. Use these in your waterline. You could use them on top. I mean, I don't really know how to use Eyeliner on top of my eyelid, but I feel like this one could even be a lip liner. So I'm going to just swatch them on my hand. So this is Jade. That is a lovely colour. Sorry about my cat scratches and hairy hands. That is a really, really nice colour though. We'll try Sasha. Pale orange, they're kind of like pastel-y. Ooh, but that is pigmented. That would make your eyes pop so much. Oh my god, I might use that one today. Yasmin's, which is purple, again like a lilac and pigmented. These are really nice. Chloe's is really pigmented. That's the most pigmented one. That's gonna make your eyes pop the most probably. Okay, we'll see how they are in the waterline, but they are really cute. Also got a black felt tip liner because, you know, you wanted sometimes I wanted to test how good it is, because quite a lot of pen felt tip black liners are crap because they just dry out straight away. I'm normally not like too keen on like collabs, like you know when people do like Cheetos collabs and like food and like just like cringy ones, but I think BRATZ is a really good one. Down on TikTok, a lot of BRATZ trends were a thing, and it's just a really iconic brand to be collabing with. This is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna fill up the whole thing, but it's smaller. But I do like the pink metallic packaging. Let's have a look. Well, it's very pointed. It's not very pigmented though. I mean, I'll give it a shake. Warm it up a little bit. Actually, more came out there. Maybe it just needed warming up a bit. But the lip combo that I went for was the Yasmin lip combo. When I was younger, Yasmin was always my favourite because I had light brown hair, brown eyes, and I thought, oh my god, I can be Yasmin. Like, literally, you're not Hispanic, you're not Yasmin. So her lip combos are kind of purpley undertoned nude, which I really wanted to add to my collection. So that's what we're gonna look at. We'll look at the lip liner first. Oh, it's like a lip crayon. Ooh, that's nice. That's cute. I'm excited to try that. Now for the lip gloss, which feels like a massive bottle, to be fair. It's, oh wow, it's, yeah. The pink, wow, that is huge. It's like one of the concealer bottles. Like literally this, that's heavy. God, you're never running out of that, are you? So this is Yasmin's lip gloss. How big's the, oh. That's huge. And I kind of like that, but if you had small lips, you might be struggling a bit. It's quite, I really love the colour. It looks darker in person. That's literally one of that concealer bottles, isn't it? But turned into a lip gloss. So now let's put all of these to the test. So now we're gonna do the makeup. I need to take this makeup off and then we're gonna do a cut crease sort of thing. So the only thing that I'll be using that may affect how the products work differently to how they would work for someone else is that I will be using the P. Louise base, but that's what I would use for any eyeshadow. So really this is my like gauge of how good it is, because I wouldn't not use this. That's the only thing that might be different for somebody else who doesn't have this product, or if you use a different base. Right, so I look crazy because I've already done my base, so we're ready to go. We're gonna have to hope that these shadows don't stain my eyelids because I'm a work liar. Well, I might just start with the shade Mannequin and put that in the outer corner. That is pigmented. I'm kind of just using this as the first deep shade, and because we're doing a cut crease, like a half cut crease sort of thing, I'm just going to bring it from the outer corner to the front of my eye. That sort of thing. Nice colour, it's quite a 90s grey. I'm going to blend Trendsetter into that to make it more green, but I just wanted a nice dark colour to start with. Like half on the colour, half off it to blend it out. These two colours blend really nicely together. I might blend that out with Runway Walk. The only thing is that might make it look really vile. We're gonna give it a go. Actually, that isn't that bad. But you are quite stuck for colours to blend out with. I'm gonna put more Trendsetter on. That's actually quite cute. I'm happy with that. The eyeshadows are working nicely. I'm gonna just take a cotton bud with some micellar water on it and cut out my crease shape. Fill that in. Right, so I think I might do one shimmer on one eye and one on the other so we can really test some. So on this side, I'm going to put on Like My Outfit. I'm using a brush. And I'm just going to pack that. Wow, that's really cute. I'm also going to try using my finger. Yeah, it's way more pigmented when you use your finger. I'm just going to blend that crease in. Right, so for this eye, I'm going to use Looking Good. Again, we'll use a brush to get the edges. It looks darker in person. It is quite pale though. Again, I'm going to use my finger to really pack it on. Same again, more pigmented when you do that, but that's the case with like every eyeshadow. It's a very pretty colour though, so I'm just going to blend it in at the edges like I did with the other side. Doesn't blend as well with the green, but I don't know if that's just a colour thing. Right, so I'm going to put a bit of this liner on to test it. See how it deals on top of the shimmer as well. Like, can you see it? No, not really. The eyeshadow's also cracking a little bit. I don't know if it just doesn't work well with this base or what, I'm not really sure. Yeah, the liner's not that great and we're gonna have to watch this eye for it cracking, but
She looked up to her mother, Grace, who was a nurse.
Eleanor kneels on. What's happened to the camera? I think the camera was a little bit dirty, but that is the eye look. So I'm just gonna put the rest of my face on so I can do my under eyes and try the lip products. Right, so that's my face and eyebrows done. So we're gonna use another colour for the lower lash line and one of the liners, I think. I'm not sure what one. Could do one on each again to test them out. Pink on this side, and sorry about the seagulls. I mean, I don't really know what I can do to stop the seagulls. And then maybe blue on this side. So just ignore how ugly I'm gonna look right now. It's not very pigmented in my eye, but I think it's because inside your eye is pink. I'm gonna have to shut the window, sorry. This is what Living Your Beach does. I might actually instead use the orange one because that's not showing up very well in my eye. Like, at all. We'll try Sasha's one, the orange. That one you can't see more. So we'll try Chloe's. Yeah, that one's really pigmented. I think I'll use Fashion Sense on this eye because I've got pink on, so the burnt, like the reddish colour is probably going to go a bit better. I mean, none of it really goes, to be honest, but on top of that, I'm going to use Get Noticed, the pink shimmer. Random colour look, but we are testing products today. I think on this side, I'm going to use Carnaby Street. Keeping it green. Like blend it out a little bit with Self-Expression. That's all the eyeshadow done. I'm going to put some mascara on. The orange in the waterline with the green looks really nice, actually. I really like this eye. Don't love this eye as much, but I think it's because this one's way more cohesive. Like all the colours go better together. But I do like the eyeshadow. Please ignore the mascara I've got on there, it won't come off. The thing is, I don't know if the eyeliner's not really good. But the eyeshadows are. I do like them. Just gotta be careful with this creasing, but I don't know if that's my base underneath or if it is the shadow. But now I'm gonna try one of these bottom colours as a highlight. I'm gonna take Stop and Stare on my highlighter brush. There's not really much there because I think it's not It's quite similar to my skin tone, but it is a nice natural kind of glow. You can't really even see it though, to be honest. I'm gonna put a bit of coolness on the top, mix them together, that you can see. Oh, that's really pretty. Now it's time for the lips. So we'll start with the crayon, and I'm gonna line and fill in my lips with it, I think. It's very creamy. It's a really nice colour and it's pigmented as well. It's good that it's thick as well because you could just use it as a lipstick. It's cute. I like it. So we'll try the lip gloss. This is huge. Looks so dark, doesn't it? Oh, it's very purple. Oh, it's tingling. Is it a plumper? I really hope it's a plumper because it is tingling. Yes, it's a plump lip gloss. That's a nice little touch. Me personally, I like them, but some people might not, so that might be something you'd want to consider before buying if you don't like a tingling, plumping lip gloss. So the lip gloss is very purple. I do prefer the colour of this, but the actual lip gloss is nice. Like, it's really shiny. It's tingly, so that's a bonus for some people. But the applicator is huge. I look so pale. Right, we'll try it by itself, see what colour it looks like, see if it looks exactly the same or if it's a lot lighter. It pretty much looks the same, but that's good. It means it's pigmented. Because the applicator is so big, it might be really messy if you don't use a lip liner. So I will actually use these products just like, again, like not really like testing them, just like use them as I would and use this lip gloss in another makeup look. But I think it would be nice as just like my usual makeup with this on. I think it'll be quite eye-catching. Final thoughts. These are really nice, but the pink one, I mean, obviously I didn't try the lilac one in my waterline, but the pink one doesn't really show up very well, but I think it's because your eye is naturally pink. But I guess you could use it on top of your lid, you could use it around your, you could use it as a lip liner maybe, I don't know. And for getting 4 in the pack is good. They're very smooth. Love that this is tingly. Do love the colour. Applicator is probably a little bit too big though for everybody. Really like this. This will be used because you could even just put a clear gloss on top of that and I think it'll look really nice. Eyeshadow palette is also good, but I think it is a really good palette. And all of this is good for the price as well. Like, this is not an expensive brand. And for like how nice the actual packaging is as well. Just don't love the eyeliner. Just think this is a bit of a, it's just not great, do you know what I mean? But yeah, this was really fun to try out. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you're interested in getting any of it. Anything you want to see, if you would like to see me use this again in another video. Maybe do a video where I'd like turn myself into a BRATZ doll and use like literally draw myself bigger eyes and use the BRATZ products. Just let me know anything you want to see. I'll have a haul up soon, a small one, and I'm also going to do another like big makeup, like big cut crease, colourful, really get myself back into the makeup. But yes, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below anything, like, subscribe, please, it would mean a lot. Check out my other videos and I will see you in the next one. Bye.